In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the QR code on a Ring doorbell so you can scan it in the Ring app and complete setup without guessing. Begin by looking at the bottom of the Ring doorbell faceplate, where the small security screw is located. Use the Ring screwdriver to loosen the screw, then pull the faceplate forward from the bottom and lift it off to reveal the doorbell body. Next, check for the QR code sticker on the back of the doorbell. If your model uses a removable battery, open the battery compartment and slide the battery out, as the QR code is often placed inside that area. You may also see a barcode or MAC ID nearby, which is useful if scanning doesn't work. Now open the Ring app, tap Set up a device, select Doorbells, and point your phone's camera at the QR code when prompted. If the scan fails, improve lighting, clean your camera lens, and adjust the distance slightly. If the QR code is missing or damaged, choose the manual setup option in the Ring app and enter the device identifier instead. Then follow the on-screen steps to finish setup.